Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I want to share with you what happened to me when I was driving back from California to Idaho. What happened was just, it came on kind of sudden, and I wasn't able to get my cell phone out to record it. When I was leaving Auburn, smoke started to settle in. It was clear up until the time I got to Auburn. Then at mile marker about 190, I think it was, the smoke got so bad that I had to slow down to 20 miles an hour for about 5-10 minutes. And then I was able to get back up to speed once it started to clear out. I went through a couple of valleys there that were socked in with smoke, really bad. But the smoke stayed with me all the way to here. And let me show you what I'm talking about. I don't know how well it's going to show up on the camera, but I see smoke between me and those trees over there. I even see a little bit of smoke haze between me and these trees here and this house over there. That's how bad the air is from the mainly from the Dixie Fire in California. As you look at these little video clips, later I was able to get my cell phone out and I recorded as I went through Winnemucca, Wells, Twin Falls, and some other places about what it looked like. So you can see the air starts getting a little bit better. Oh, Reno was bad. That's where I first started recording, was in Reno. But by the time I got here, past Twin Falls, it was beginning to look like this, kind of, just the haze that just was really bad and you really can't see much of. But the far distance stuff, like, let's see, I don't know if you can see, but out over that telephone pole there, I should see the Grand Teton Mountains. Nope, can't see them. Should see them over there as well. Can't see them. That's how bad it is here, that up against the mountains you cannot see. So I'm going to go ahead and get this going here, get it edited. Hopefully they'll have it out Wednesday morning. Also, if you like these videos or you have friends or neighbors that like them, please subscribe to the channel down below. If you have friends or neighbors, hit that subscribe button right next to the subscribe button there. Share this out, that way they have a chance to see what I'm doing here and maybe learn something here from my mistakes and the funny stuff that happens to me up here in Idaho. Here's how much smoke is in Reno. The smoke started about Auburn, California. At mile marker 190, it was so bad we were slowed down to less than 20 miles an hour. This is the smoke here in Reno. All right, we're a ways into Nevada, and you can't really see the hills too good because of all the smoke. We're well past Fernley. We're about 70 miles, 75 miles into Nevada, and the smoke is still real bad. No, here's a mile marker. We're 76 miles into Nevada, and this is what the air quality here is in Nevada right now from the Dixie Fire. Okay, more updates as I travel along. Okay, we're 176 miles into Nevada at Winnemucca, and the smoke is still bad. Can't hardly even see the mountain right there. Okay, we're coming into Battle Mountain, Nevada. You can see the water tower off in that direction over there. It is still smoky and nasty out here. Usually this is absolutely pristine out here, and you can see the hills really good, but right now can't hardly, everything's just really bleh. So Yeah, this is Battle Mountain, coming into Battle Mountain. Exit 229, that's 229 miles from the California border. And this is all smoke from the Dixie Fire, with some contributions from a couple other fires. Alright, don't know how well you can see this. I can just barely make it out. There's this is the mountain that was just on the other side of Battle Mountain. We're going to be driving up and over it, but you could not see it from the other side of Battle Mountain. So, yeah, so I'm going to just let this run a little bit here. As it gets closer, it starts to, you can start seeing details of it as we get closer to it. But that's how smoky it is out here in Nevada. Sorry about the bouncing around. Kind of hard to hold this as I drive. Okay, I hope that comes out good enough. It's looking pretty spooky here right now. Wells, Nevada. 3/4 of the way across Nevada, and everything is still smoky as can be. Alright, just leaving Twin Falls, heading north to the freeway here, and I don't know how well you can see it out there, but it is hazy off here in the distance still. So not nearly as it has been previously, but there still is a bunch of haze out here. Alright, next time coming up when I get over to Pocatello. Alright, so there you have it. That was the parts of the trip I was able to get and record for you. But yeah, it just didn't show as good as it, the camera just didn't pick it up like it was out there. It was, just so much more bleh. And when I was coming, I'd put my, I had some N95 masks in the truck with me, so I was wearing them once I hit the smoke. And when I went to get out of the truck at Fernley to gas up, I took the mask off, and it was like, man, yeah, it was, the truck was full of it. Even though I had all the vents and everything closed, it just, picked up so much smoke smell when I was there. So one of the things I do want to remind everybody, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button down here and ring the notification bell so you get notified of every time I post a new video. If you have friends, neighbors, relatives, coworkers that might be interested in any of these videos, go ahead and share it out. There's a social media share button right next to the subscribe button or right above it. Or you can click on the URL up here and just email it to them. All right? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Stay prepared. Make sure you have all the supplies you need. And if you can, plant a garden, grow something. There's still time to get stuff growing this year. All right? Take care.